In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online, and we'll get it done in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to tidy up your accounts, understanding this process can make your bookkeeping a little bit clearer and your financial records more accurate. Let's begin by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your QuickBooks credentials. Once you've entered your email and password, click the Continue button. This should take you to the home page of your QuickBooks Online dashboard where we'll start our cleanup process. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Transactions tab. You'll find this on the left hand side of your dashboard. It's usually labeled Transactions alongside other key sections like Sales, Expenses, and the Chart of Accounts. This area is where you'll manage all the financial transactions that flow into and out of your business. Next, locate and click on the Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is a powerful tool in QuickBooks as it organizes all your accounts, making it easier to track your financial activities. When you select this, you'll see a list of accounts that you've set up, like bank accounts, revenue, expenses, and specifically undeposited funds. In the search bar at the top of this section, type undeposited funds and hit enter. This is an account QuickBooks uses to hold payments you've received from customers until you physically deposit them into your bank. It's crucial to reconcile these so they match your actual bank deposits. Once you've found the undeposited funds account, click on View Register. This opens up a detailed list of all transactions recorded as undeposited funds. It's a good practice to routinely check this register for any lingering transactions that haven't been reconciled. The next step is to choose a transaction you'd like to review. Click on it to bring up the details. This ensures you're looking at the right payment and allows you to make any necessary adjustments. Examine the specifics of the transaction carefully. If the transaction details are correct, click the Edit button. This stage is crucial if you need to adjust any part of the transaction, perhaps to match with what's actually been deposited into the bank. Make sure all the information, including the account and any amounts, is accurate to avoid discrepancies. Finally, if you're satisfied with your edits, or if no changes were needed, click Save and Close. Doing this updates your register and balances the amounts in your undeposited funds with your bank deposits. Maintaining clean records ensures that your financial reporting is accurate and up to date. And there you have it. Cleaning up undeposited funds in QuickBooks is a straightforward process that, when done regularly, can greatly enhance the clarity and accuracy of your business's financial records. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough has made managing your QuickBooks Online a bit easier. Until next time.